Pinterest can be a useful tool for modelers and model train enthusiasts. In this video, I'll show you how to use it as a private library where you can easily store, categorize, and find things you want to save for future use. We modelers have a tendency to watch videos and do a lot of research. Keeping track of what we might want to see again is cumbersome. And then we don't have time to go through them all when we find them. Pinterest offers a solution, and here is how I use it. Pinterest allows you to set up boards that can either be seen by anyone on the internet or only by you. So for my research and things I want to watch later, I set up private pages and label them by category. For example, I buy products on Aliexpress, eBay, as well as from local shops. So I set up a board called Suppliers, and I make it a private board. On my web browser, I have Pinterest add-ons. These add-ons make it easy to add something to a board. And as for YouTube, you click the share button and choose Pinterest. So to make an Aliexpress supplier list for products, I go to the product and save it to my suppliers board. When I want a product, I simply go to my suppliers board and everything there is easily found. I set up private boards for other categories such as Arduino, sketches, layouts, scenery, and many more. So now I have a library that I can peruse when I am traveling or otherwise not occupied. Those I don't think useful, I delete. For things I want to sell, I use public boards. If I list something on eBay, save it to one of my public boards. My followers see it as well as others searching on Pinterest. Pinterest is free. First, check out my board at Home and Hobby, which is listed below. Then try it yourself. I hope this is helpful. Please tell others about this information by using one of the services such as Facebook and other social media platforms. Thank you for your support.